unites people? Armies, gold, flags, stories. We're in the great game now. And the great game is terrifying.
Power is a curious thing. It's a trick. A shadow on the wall. Power resides where men believe it resides.
I shall wear no crowns and win no glory. I am the shield
that guards the realms of men.
Do you know what the realm is? It's a lie. It's the 1,000 blades of Aegon's enemies. Get down! Only the ladder is real. The climb is all there is.
Lannister, Stark, Tyrell, Baratheon. They're all just spokes on a wheel, crushing those on the ground. I'm not going to stop the wheel. I'm going to break the wheel.
This isn't about noble houses. This is about the living and the dead.
The same thing is coming for all of us.
The enemy is real. It's always been real.
Dead men, dragons, and dragon queens. Whatever stands in our way, we will defeat it.
The Seven Kingdoms needs a monarch who can inspire the people.
The King of the North!
A ruler loved by millions.
You stand in the presence of the Mother of Dragons. Together, we will save this country from those who would destroy it.
For centuries, our families fought against their common enemy.
We need to do the same if we're gonna survive.
Death is coming for everyone and everything. The darkness that will swallow the dawn.